Hello everyone. Okay, so we got some progress yesterday, and now they actually implement the feature to level up. So let's see, how do we go about this? First, let's look into our queue. Where do we finish it? Maybe we should add a tag for win. If we win, then we add the tag, and if we lose, we don't have the tag. Maybe. Something like that? Or maybe I should also add it as when I lose. I don't have to make the check here. Maybe there's a draw, you know? Who knows? There shouldn't be a draw, but I don't know. Maybe there's a... What do we do when we flee? Can we even flee? I don't know. I should add the tag. Why do I do camel case? I think I started with... Because looks like a boar. It is a boar, but whatever. So let's add these tags first for winning. This battle queue last. I mean, I guess we triggered this as something else. Should I... Sure. How do we do this for rewards? Ending fate condition. So we do have a switch. Competitor 0 is the player, so we actually have condition here already. Maybe we should build this into the utility too. Battle 1, I guess. Get battle Q. Battle Q. And find first actor. So Q. Cast battle Q. Alright. So we have this now. Make a function out of this. So we can add it here. Since when we lose, everything will crumble anyway. Doesn't matter if it's the last battle or not. For now, at least. Depending on if we have some different tournament, we might want to do something else, of course. Okay, we got the tags. Which means now we can actually do something here. Maybe switch is not enough. Okay, we open this. And we then pop up. Like this. Ay, caramba. Let us think. You have a pop-up here. A signal. Interesting. My chat now filtered some bots without showing them in the chat box, maybe? I have to check in the vlog. Yeah, I mean, I pressed ban very quickly, so I'm not sure if I banned them or if they never have been shown. Hello, baby! We survived. This was a hell of a week, man. Yeah. Can I just make a pop-up? Depending on whatever is in here. I mean, it will now just say win or something, which is wrong, but I just wanna see. That's the progression tests. I don't see a pop-up. Did this even get triggered? I mean, funny enough. No, it's not funny enough. A hello needs to happen. Also, I see some warnings for UI controller. Attempt to access index 2 from array of length whatever, but there is no. Yes, that's fine. That's completely fine. Okay. So again, that's not fine though. That is not fine. So why is there no second? 1, 2, 3. This is the second. 0, 1, 2. This should have happened here. Is the stack not in there? Maybe. Let us look. I mean, it is obvious that the tag is not there. Let's see if I'm right, just to be sure. Yeah, it's not here, so it's never getting added. Let's think. Why is that? Oh, because it thinks it's not the last. Fight? Could it be? No. I'm actually adding the win condition when we're fleeing, and that's of course not correct. Okay, now it should pop up. Probably. No, it's still not there. Still says didn't have it, so come on, man, why? Okay, so we go in here again. Maybe it's just popping up behind everything. But no, it cannot, because we saw that there's a warning. Which is funny. Am I just seeing a black square then? Probably. Yeah, it's still not here. Interesting. Very interesting. Player 1. It goes in here, gets the battle queue, which needs to be there or else we couldn't even open. So what happens is this goes into false. Because it's not the last battle. Why? Why would that be? You just give me this one. This one should have prepared this as last. I guess we will just make sure if it's really the last or not. Or if it's even getting called, that is. It should. Because everything else works. Now we should be triggering the... It's not triggering. We won and it's not triggering. Why? This is concerning. Are we even getting in here? Is this wrong? Am I going in with the wrong condition? Or wrong ID? Let's see. Ending fade. Competitor 1. It is going in here. Why didn't this trigger? Last battle is false. That's correct. That's what we want. Why did I do the... breakpoints? Anyway. Second one should also be false. Yes. The last one should be true. And there's the error, I assume. Condition. Predator 1. Go in. It's true. Not in scope. Layer 1. Add unique. Excuse me? Why did you just go out? There a battle queue? Yes, there's a battle queue. Why did, what? Okay, now that... Unreal. Unreal. Stop joking around now. Hee hee ha ha, time is over. Like, what the hell? Yes, it just kicked me out. It went through and kicked me out, probably. I'm just seeing things. Probably just, I don't know, some... Yeah, after this, if I will not go further, even though I do this, but I am stupid, so you cannot see what I do. Blah. Something like that. Okay. So. Breakpoint here. Breakpoint here. Breakpoint here. This thing is true. Show me. Huh? Sorry, Unreal, it was not your fault. God damn it, man. I don't care. Crimea River. Okay, let's see. Aha! There it is. Can we get rid of this lighting? Lighting needs to be rebuilt. One unbuilt object. Can we get rid of this? Every time when we finish our fight or change levels, this happens, I think. Like if I go here, it happens here too, right? Or is it just a battle? Kinda was there and then it just didn't happen. Very funny. Let's find out why that is. Get rid of this, because I don't want to see this ever again. But we will see if I can even fix it. Okay, so what does it say? Unreal lighting needs to be rebuilt. How do I fix the lighting needs to be rebuilt error? For some reason, whenever I mess with objects that allow light to enter the room, I receive the same error. Okay, no. You have to rebuild lighting after modifying the scene. That's what the warning is telling you. You can make many edits and then rebuild once, though, to be fast. What? World settings. Force no pre-compute lighting true. No? Okay, what is this issue? I'm using la 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 la. The error read. Okay, when I've saved. Okay, that's not my issue. My issue is when I'm unloading levels. Loading, unloading levels. Switching. Sounds promising. When switching light scenarios. Yeah, maybe something like that. As I'm currently fiddling around with light scenarios featuring more so over time I go in game and switch dynamically between the different lighting scenarios that I have. I keep popping up the corner saying that the light needs to be rebuilt. Hi, okay, wait. I can maybe test this when I open the menu and close it again. Okay, never mind. Mine is different. Okay, so hi Mark, I have... Why do they have the same... What? Okay, he's... What? Ah, reply. Never... I'm sure... Hope you've seen this already. It's really straightforward. Using pre-compute lighting scenarios in Unreal Engine 5.1 organization, you have your main level with all the non-changing elements, meshes, foliage. Then you create your scenario levels one by one, setting them as light scenarios, placing different light elements, blah 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 blah. Then you'll have to build lights. Can build on selected levels, then you should be able to load unload levels on your choice. But that's not what I do. I am in play mode. Okay, wait. What if I say Unreal play mode? Light needs to be rebuilt. Wait, do I have any objects that are from another level? Am I not unloading something? Wait, let's see. We have levels here. Start area, all of them start area, and then we have main. And start area, main, start area, camera level, and so on. Could it be that we have something left over? I mean, here are some stuff. I think they get removed. Yes. Okay, goodbye. Then we have this problem. No, it seems to be fine. Nothing different here. Very strange. Dump unbuilt light scenarios. Dump unbuilt light scenarios. Huh? It says 0. I don't understand. I don't get it. This is not correct. I just wrote and it says 0. Why is it there? Oh. Maybe the levels between load and unload are overlapping for a microsecond. Ugh. I don't care anymore. Hmm. Now, here's the thing. I have no clue about localization. If I write here English and I do everything on English, I have no clue what is British English and what is US English. If I intend to have it separated and I write now US here and use anything on my UI's British English, it will be very hard to get rid of. If I now use only English, well, maybe then I can redo everything with English US and English British for having it properly or something. I guess we will stick with English then. Thanks for duck programming. Rubber duck programming. Do you know rubber duck programming? It's a technique in software development. When you cannot find a bug, you might want to go to someone and explain the problem. And people found out when you have to explain a problem in detail, you find it yourself. Like you explain a friend, I have this issue, blah blah blah, I have to do this, and my system does that, and then it goes there, and then you're like, oh, that's the error, and your friend didn't do anything. So people now use a rubber duck to explain their errors, and then they find out. They have a rubber duck on their desk and then they just explain their problem to them. It is. It also works. That's very funny. Where was my text? UI text. I lost it. UI content. Interesting naming. Text table ID enum. And we can use both of these. Ability text. Right here. Okay. And next item. There it is. What a complicated function to get a simple text. But with this thing, I can make something very powerful to localize. I always use this to get a text. Then I have an automation for changing my whole game into another language. So at one point I have to go into every single thing where I use a text and use this to get it. Alright, so we have our translation function. And we can use it. Get text from table. We want English, we want UI pop-up, and we want progression win. Maybe I could do this one also as a drop down, but I feel like that might be an overkill. Because then I have to do every single text doubled. One entry is equal to 2 entries. We shouldn't do that, I guess. Okay, then we don't need this anymore, I guess. If we win, Put in this. Oop, and you're gone. And now it should show us a text when we win. I wonder if it's inside of the pop-up window, but we will see. There it is, but it is not inside the box. You have passed the progression. You can add another ARPling to your team. Nice. Where's our pop-up? Pop-up here. This text needs a wrapper. Do this. Okay, I want it centered though. What if I do this? I have to sneeze. Oh man. I want it in the middle. How do I export this? What is this called? UI texts, UI pop-ups, EN. And we can go and open the JSON. And then do this. Bam. Save it. Close it. And then re-import. From there, please. There we go. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, wrong one. Yeah. Let me press here. No, perfect. Good. Okay, we have the text now. Now what we have to do is give the player the level up. How do we do this? Get. Wait, why is this like this? When did I turn on the inheritance? Oh my god, sometimes I'm very spooked by Unreal. Very, very fitting to the month. What did I want to do? Ah, player. We want HP. Well, okay, we have to... We have a problem here. Maybe you can help me, Billy. We have our player arena here. And we have this area where you can have shields in the UI, right? Let's say we are level 1. And we can be level 9. Why, you might ask? Well, we have 9 slots for our Orplings. Fire, water, and earth. Like, oh my god. Fire, water, and earth. And then we have lightning, air, and crystal. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We start with level 1, so we have 1 Orpling. So we can level up to level 9 to have 9 Orplings, right? But I want only to have maximum of 5 shields. At level 1 we have 1 shield. At level 9 we have 5 shields. So how do I make it so that it is, when we level up, kinda balanced? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 steps, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would you think this is good? Seems to be good. The only thing that I find a little irritating is when I hit level 8, I get a shield, But if I hit the level peak of everything, I get nothing. It kinda gives me this, I don't know, not satisfying feeling. But for now it should be fine. I should make a table for this. We can play around with this. I should make a table for progression. Where do I put this table? Where is our level up stuff? Where is our reward? Reward is a UI. Should I have it in UI? No! Fine, I go here and make a level progression. Or player progression. Player progression. And there's only one thing inside. Or two things. One thing is player progression table struct, which is an integer for shields, and then we make a table progression. Oh my god. Oh my god! Progression. Proct. Player progression data table. Oop. And then we have like 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Shield 1. Well, I guess row 1 we will never use, but whatever, right? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, at 4, 4, 4, 5, please, 5, okay. So for now we can get it from here. And we can just manipulate. So we're back here in the UI controller, which is funny because we shouldn't do it here. We should do it in the queue. Get name row get table row from table progression data table. What is this? Ah, this is just a test. Okay. Hello, Yummy. We get the current level of the player. Use to string. Put it in here. Oh my god, this is a long thing. Get the player. The summoner. The entity, his level. Or her level, I don't know. Player progress. Break. Progress. And we have the shields. And then we want to set member for level and the maximum HP. Shields is this. Level is +1. And here's our progression. can test this actually. Should I put this into a function? Level up player or something? Boop. Boop. Ta-da! Wait, you need this. Ta-da! Wait, why is there HP here? Go away. Alright. We can use these in here. When we win, player gets a level up. Which means, since we are level 1 right now, I should not be able to add an ARPling into my team. Right? We have 2 ARPlings hopefully. 1, 2. Wait. We don't have 9 levels. We have only 8. Yeah, because we start with level 1, but we have 2 ARPlings. We have a maximum of 9, which means we have only 8 progressions, or 7. This guy actually, goodbye. Bye bye. So if I go now to the ARPling manager, I should not be able to add another ARPling. Do I even have something in there? We should have... This crash happening a lot. When I stop the thing. I wonder why this happens. I couldn't find it online. Okay, where was I? Ah, I wanted to test the ARPling thingy. Start ARPlings. Let's add one. The name here important. 1. Hope not. I don't care about abilities right now. Trusting. Be fine. So I have something in my storage. Cannot place it. I can store something away. Then I can place Tomati and the snack. But then I cannot anymore because we are level 1. So let's level up. Oh, did I forget? Not in scope. I cannot verify then. Why is this not in scope? Ah. Oh, I shouldn't have closed it all. Damn it. Ah, it's you, not Summoner. I mean, this is getting asked only if it goes in here, but I should maybe ask for the string first. Be more clean. Okay, now it should happen. And alright, you have passed the progression. You can add another Orpling to your team. So we go and try to add another Orpling to our team. Place, and we can place him. Ta-da! We can level up. We can even check it here, I guess. The player. What? The player has a neutral attack? That's funny. Anyway. Okay, the shield should stay at 1, of course. And level is 2. So if we win another progression, our shield should be 2. Yes, like a football. Poor Tomati. When Tomati doesn't have any... of course, I cannot do another progression level because I didn't design a progression level for player level 2. We could do one very quick. Where do I have my progressions? This is level 2, which is the same fight. And then we add it to the linker. Level 2. Now we should be able to fight 2 times. Maybe I should save this one before. Okay, so first and we can do another one right behind it. So first we only have 1 shield, as we can see. Hopefully in the next fight we will have 2 shields. And there we go. So we are done here. We can now check if we have HP 2. No. Our HP didn't raise, but our level did. Why? How can this happen? Didn't it find it? I mean, it needs to find it to get in here. So why is our shields 1? We are level 3. We hit level 3. We were 1, 2. And then we are now 3. Right? We are level 3. Let me check. Maybe that's... it's a logical error. It's a logical error because we are looking for level 2 in here, and then we add another level. Of course, this cannot work. What we should have done is this. Now it will work. Okay, let's fight 2 times again. Or 6 times. One, 2, and 3. Okay. Fight. 1, 2, and 3. Level 3, HP 2, which means now we have 2 shields. And we have 2 shields. 1, 2. Good! Our progression works. You still need to do this one, so I need to keep track how deep you are in the world map. I also have to implement a world map in 2, because the activation energy and so on for the exits have a purpose for the world map, so you can skip some nodes if you have enough activation energy, that is. Logic: when a battle is lost while in queue. Disable item for player progression tests. Pop up for lose, yes. I need to do this lose condition. If player progression fight gets enemy back after fight. Energy. Yeah, this is also important. I need to do this. I could do this in the battle queue and calculation. In duels, we might not want to all things to get deactivated. Yes, let's do this ticket first, because we already have something similar when we return So let's look how that logic works and then just copy it over. Which is in main menu. In here, there is a button for return to island, which is going into command dispatcher for close menu, return to start area. We have one here and we have one here. Let's look what this does first. I should make this into a function. Reset or refresh HP and MP or something, or how would you call it if you go and take an entity of the player of the game and then say, hey, your damage and your MPs are now 0. Like MP use. What would you call that function? Refresh sounds like there might be still damage. I don't know. How do you say? Reset? Recover? I don't know. Maybe I should call it reset because we have also permanent status map up to 0. Reset battle group damage? Reset battle scars. I don't know. God damn it. How about this? Reset battle group HP and so on. We can use it here. Reset HP MP. Get rid of this. Do this. So if I now fight and go back, this should reset our HP, right? Let's fight. And then I can use that same function for when we are done with the progression. Well, let's just fight and lose. And then I can just develop cheat out of there. Yeah, okay, I don't care. Now HP is 0. Now HP is full again. Okay, so that function works. I need this one. Reset HP, whatever. Get the player. Get player actor battle group. Progression test like this. Okay, so after the progression test, now we should have full HP and MP again. Okay, let's see. No. There we go, full. Okay, so that ticket is also done. It was rather easy. Get player level and get to progression test battle info. What? Well, I'm doing that already. That's fine. Progression test data, I mean... we have that. The only thing we don't have is this right now. Logic when a player is lost, a battle is lost while in queue. And disabling items. I think the rest I will do tomorrow. Yeah. This seems to be a good wrap-up package for the player progression. Although I'm not sure if I can do this tomorrow. This seems to be a little more complicated. Maybe. We will see. Anyway. Yummy baby. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.